1.
Okay, hi guys, my name's Harry and Solly, recording now. Basically what we're going to be doing today is shooting him with my BB gun, Thompson M1A1, and 328 FPS. For you guys that don't know about BB guns, that is feet per second FPS. So basically we're just going to see what it can do first. But safety off, semi-automatic on. Don't want to be too mean. Don't want to use fully because it's kind of going to hurt him. So I'm just going to shoot him the altitude card down there. Right. Okay. As you can see, the impact's made the whoa! It completely wrecked it. So it just make a hole through it. As you can see, it's kind of absolutely mashed it up. Right, anyway, that's done going again. Right, so now it's the real deal, we're going to be shooting on it. So, if you just give me that. Got a good view? It's alright, isn't it? Right, I know there's no point in the glasses, but, you know, yeah, just, you've got to be careful. I know it's not going to hit his eyes, but, you know. Okay, you okay, Ollie? I know you're kind of in pain, but is it possible you could... Well, let's look for the BB first. There it is. Wait, is it okay if you show us the mark on it? I know you're in quite a bit of pain here, but lay your face to the wall over there. Let's have a look. Ooh. It's pretty bad. I knew you shouldn't have done that. Oh, well, I only do one take. Right, anyway, so bye from me and bye from Ollie too. Yeah, hope he recovers, but yeah, please remember to comment, rate and subscribe. See ya.